What is up, you guys? Just received my white side markers with a LED white bulb. Here it is. So let's go ahead and install this. Okay, so first thing we are gonna do is turn our wheel away so that we have space to be able to remove this. And we are just gonna need a flathead. So first thing we did, we removed a little screw that was right here, just holding the fender liner. And then with your flathead, you're just gonna put it in there and pluck it out. In order to take it off from the connector, just rotate it counterclockwise. And it should come out just like that. So for demonstration, this is how it sits. You're gonna insert your flathead right in here, and you're just gonna pluck the little lip out. Here's how it looks. And let's go ahead and take this bulb out. So now that we got the LED in there, we're just going to put it back into the marker, rotating it clockwise. Now that we got the marker inside, we just plug this back into the fender liner, and that will be it. So this is a really easy install. Takes you like about a minute if you're doing both sides. So hope you guys like it. Leave a like, comment any questions, and subscribe. Well, after that install, I just received this package as well. So let's open this up and let's see what it is. So I did order this shift knob from Speed Factory. This is the new all black JDM shift knob. So let's go ahead and stick this right in. You can see the different details. The red stitching here, the silver, and the silver here. This one is just all black, which I really like. Okay guys, so the new shift knob is in, and I really like it. It doesn't really go with the rest of the car interior, but I was just bored of the old shift knob, and something new every now and then is always good. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos for the side marker install, and hope you guys liked the new shift knob. If you guys got any questions or comments, just place them down below. I hope you liked the video, and see you guys on the next one.